Hey, what's up? Welcome to the Freetrepreneur channel. Today I want to talk to you about one very specific way to make money on Amazon. Very easy, that can give you some passive income in the very long term. First, let me tell you, there are three ways you can make money on Amazon. The first one is Amazon FBA, which is what a lot of people are doing today. Basically, the concept is that you buy product at the cheaper price from AliExpress, for example in China. You ship a bunch of them to Amazon. Amazon store them, right? And then you have an account or a shop on Amazon. When people buy on your shop on Amazon, Amazon picks the product, packs the product for you, and ship the product. The customer receives the product and you have some margin. The problem with this is that you need a lot of stock upfront, at least 100 to 200 products that you need to send to Amazon. Again, this is not optimal. The second way is what I am doing with this store. It's basically using Amazon as a supplier instead of AliExpress. You have your website, right? From your website, you import Amazon product on your site using a plugin that will allow you to import Amazon product on your website. Now you fix your margin. Suppose this is, for example, 170. You put that on your website for 230. That means it's a $60 profit. If someone comes on your website and they buy it from your website, what you have to do is just you have to order from Amazon and put the person details on the payment part. So Amazon will ship the product instead of your address, will ship the product to their address. The third way, it's called Amazon Associate. Basically, it's an affiliate marketing, and I think this is the most passive and long-term way. The problem with Amazon FBA is that you always need to run ads. You always need to spend money on advertisement. The beauty about this or Amazon affiliate program is that you only need to write blog posts. Let's say you write a review. You get paid for reviewing Amazon product. Suppose these are the 10 best. You can write a post, for example, about the 10 best coffee machine that everyone needs to upgrade to, right? And then you talk about these, for example, 5, 6, 10 coffee machines. Someone comes on your website, as they're reading the review, you can tell them buy the product here. For example, you say, okay, for coffee and tea, you put this product and you talk, why is it important? Why can you choose this? Because it's good, because if someone clicks on it, they will get to Amazon. They will buy the product at 170 and you will make 10% of them. Amazon pays 4 to 10%. Now, the beauty about this is that your post will stay forever on Google. So as long as people come and visit your post and come to buy on Amazon, you don't need to spend anything on ad, right? So this is completely passive. How do you actually do it? Before I show you how to do it, I want to make sure, let me show you something. The reason why I think it's important is that you need to smash the like button and the subscribe button, because I'm showing you step by step how to do everything. You need to come here and click the subscribe button, because we're covering e-commerce, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, online ad, Facebook and Instagram ad, blogging, SEO, a lot of things, and I am posting every new video every week. So as you can see, you can come in the channel and check out the other videos. So let me show you how do you actually become an Amazon affiliate associate, and I'm going to show as well how you can implement that on your website once you're writing an article, and it's really easy. Now you need to come on Google. You type Amazon affiliate. This first one, the first result, you need to click on it. As you click on it, you will have, let's say I take this, I copy this link and I come on this new window. you will need to join, right? You will need to join for free. It's completely free to join. You can get up to 10% for each product. And the trick with here is that you need to sell high ticket product, because if you sell product for the product that cost only $10, you're not gonna make much. You will need to sell a lot of product. But if you sell a product that cost $100 or $1,000, then 10% of that, it's a big chunk of money. So now, how do you do it? You come here, you click on join for free, you fill out with the details. Now, once you're logged in, this will be your home page. How do you implement that on your website? Now, if you don't have a website, you can use this on your Instagram account. Do swipe up stories if you have, for example, more than 10,000 followers. If you have a Facebook group with a big chunk of followers, you can also implement that. If you have a YouTube channel, right, you can talk about a review of a specific product, and you put the link in the description so people click on it, and you tell people to click the link in the description. Now, how do you actually do it? The way I do it right now on my website is that you come here on the product linking. What I do is that I come here on native shopping ad, right? If you come here on native shopping ad, you can, this is more powerful. The native shopping ads are more powerful because as someone is reading the post, this is how they will appear. Let's say you're writing an article about the best financial books or the best coffee. Let me show you how I do it. You come here under custom ads. You can do recommendation, search ad, and custom ads. If you come here under custom ads, right? Come here under custom ads. No, actually, here under custom ad. Click here, custom ads. Recommendation, search, and custom. If you click on the custom, here, this is where you can select the product that will be incorporated in your website. As people are scrolling down, they will see the product. Now, let's say I want to talk about, my blog post is about the best beauty product, or maybe the best laptop of 2020, best computer. Let's say I want to talk about the best laptop of 2020. You just type here best laptop 2020. If you click go, now these are the product that you can add. You can add a minimum of 4 products. Now if you click here, you look at the reviews. This is one review, so people like this. Now I will add this product. I will add this product that people like, and I will add this product as well, and this product. You see, the beauty about this is that they're really expensive. So 10% of this is pretty good. It's a pretty good amount. Now you can customize this. This is the way it will appear on your website, but you can customize this as much as you want. You can display my Amazon pick, or you can remove that. You can say the best laptop 2020. This is how it will be, best laptop 2020. You can remove this search bar, or you can leave it so that if someone is not comfortable with this, they can just search on Amazon. If they pick the product, you will still earn a commission. Now, let's say this is the code you need, the ad code you need to copy on your website. How do you do it? You select this, you right click, you copy, you come on your website. Let me write a blog post. You come here on the post, you click add new. If you click add new, for example, if you click add new, you want to write a post about what you think are the best laptop of 2020. Let's say, or maybe why someone needs a laptop today. Let's say there is now a virus going on outside. You can talk about how someone can get a laptop. Why you need a laptop working from home. Now you just say today blah 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 blah, today blah 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 blah, reasons why you need a laptop. You put that under H2. Boom. Number 1, you talk. Then under number 1 you talk. Number 2 you talk. Same. Now you can now switch this under text and come here, paste the code that you have received. The laptops will appear underneath this, right? So you just switch back to visual. If I go to preview, I haven't published yet, but if I go to preview, if you go to preview, you'll see how it will be like. You see, these after the post, these are the laptop that someone can come on your website. If they click, they'll get to Amazon, they can buy the laptop, and you will make the commission on this. So this is a powerful way in the very long term, and it only requires you to put the work up front. That means to write a nice blog post and share it with your audience, that people will come back, right? They will come back forever as long as your post is on Google, right? And they will always click and buy your laptop. Or you can take that link and put it under your YouTube channel, or swipe up stories on Instagram. So this is what I wanted to show you. If you think, or you can even create a store the same way I created a store here. If you come here, you click here on books every millionaire reads. If you click here on books every millionaire read, this is a selection of books that I took from Amazon using that same principle, but it looks like it's a store for me, but it's not. These are just Amazon affiliates. So if someone visit my site and come here and bookstore and they click books every millionaire read and they're curious, if they click here and they order it from Amazon, this is still a commission. So again, make sure you press the like button and you subscribe, because there is a lot of value in this video, and there is going to be a lot of value in every single of my video, because I want to provide you value. It's about you. Now this is about it. This is what I wanted to show you, but again, let's summarize. The beauty about doing this as well is that you can monetize your website in multiple ways. Not only you can have Amazon affiliate programs here that people can click and shop, but you can also have display ads. That means every time someone will come and visit your website, if they look at this ad, if this ad appears in front of them, you will be able to make money. So you can monetize your website via 2 ways: display ads and affiliate programs. There are hundreds of thousands of affiliate programs that I will cover step by step with you. Okay, so that's what I'm asking. If you think this is helpful, this is valuable, make sure you press the like button and you press subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Until next time, really, I hope everything is fine with you. Take good care of yourself. Bye.